Hi friends, in this video we'll discuss law on gifts. So what is that law on gifts as stated in Yajnavalkya Smriti? Let us see that. The quantum of gift should never be so much so that after the gift is given, a person is not able to maintain his family. Son and woman should never be given in gift. When a person has son and daughter, he should not give in gift his entire wealth. Gift should be given in front of everybody, and more specifically when land is gifted. One who promises to give gift has to compulsorily part with the same and should never take back that gift. So friends, if you see, if anybody wanted to gift a particular thing, it was with certain restrictions. You could not gift so that you are not able to maintain your family. Further, the sons, daughters could not be gifted. Further, anybody who is selling land, it should be in front of everybody so that people know that this particular land has been sold by X person to Y. One more important aspect is, once a person promises to gift a particular article or a particular land or whatever gift he intends, he was not allowed to go back. He had to give that to the person whom he has promised. So somewhere if you see this entire gift law as stated by Yajnavalkya, it clearly takes into picture and consideration the family welfare of the person who intends to gift. At the same time, certain gifts to be made in public so that everybody is aware that this particular land or this particular thing has been gifted by one person to another and the owner of that particular thing has changed. So friends, this was the law of gifts which we discussed. In our next video, we'll discuss law on reshuffle in transaction. Thank you.